got 2001 Z3, and there is sound whenever you crank it up. It's like a whistle turbo sound that is not a turbo, and that's actually a couple cracks right here and right there. Boom, look at that, all these little cracks. Well, time to change this hose right there. Alright, we got 2 new boots for air intake. Well, first let's disconnect it. This little diagnostic plug. Out of the way, my friend. Here somewhere. Look at that. Man, this thing been around. Look at that. Hopefully this will last longer. Man, I should promote this stuff. I got it on eBay for a really good deal, actually, for both of them. A little under $30. I should promote this stuff. If you guys know how to, please teach me. I would gladly promote the stuff that I buy online. So let's disconnect it, this clamp. And then for this one, which is hiding right here, I'll get a taller screwdriver. Okay, longer screwdriver. We are back in the game. Okay, so let's lose this bolt. Ooh, literally. You know, in mechanics, I learned one thing. I rather take off, spend a little more time to take off everything out of the way than to spend the time for ordering the parts. The one that I snapped because of my impatient out. And this one. Come on, baby. Cooperate with me. Be very, very careful for this Wacom line hoses. It is out. Let's see how our intake doing. Mine as well. Engine is pretty nice and clean. Everything looks good. Let's see the butterfly. Right, what's that? Some kind of lubrication? No, we do not need oil on this. If you wanna lube it, use a spit because it will dry out, but I never put much of a lubrication here like oil, so I'm gonna wipe it dry. Let's lose these 2 clamps and use this fitting. I'm gonna tie this clamp pretty tight, and this one I'm gonna leave a little loose just in case if I need to make a little adjustment. Okay, so time to put everything back. Make sure that you align this little piece right here at its proper place. When you get aftermarket stuff, it takes a little time to play with it because it's sort of fit. All of the clamps are tightened. Let's put the plug back. Putting it back. This thing goes here. Boom. Let's start it up. We are driving in a beautiful Midwest, and that whistling turbo sound went away. Yep, so it fixes the problem.